Kilo, where's all your seagull friends? They're all circling you. See them all circling? I can't even see them. I know they're up there. Can't see them through the phone. What do you mean you want one? You have a choice of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Which one do you want? Kilo, could you lean a bit forward? You're pulling her hair right out of my head. I think someone grabbing you by the head of the hair. Wah! What did you say that for? Kilo, look at all them seagulls. I think they're all waiting for you to go to the caravan with them. Do you think so? Hear them? Kilo, look, they're all fighting over you now. Hear them? They're all fighting over you, look. That's because you're gorgeous. And I'm sure all your Facebook friends will tap that up for me. Yep. You are gorgeous. Yes. Aren't you? You're a different kind of gorgeous, so you're the best personality out.